What are the benefits of farming? Farming is an essential practice that has been around for thousands of years. It is the cultivation of crops and the raising of animals for food, fiber, and other products. Farming has numerous benefits, both for individuals and society as a whole. In this video, we will explore the benefits of farming. Before we continue, please hit that subscribe button as this really helps the channel. Food production. One of the primary benefits of farming is the production of food. Farming provides a sustainable and reliable source of food for the growing population. Without farming, there would be a severe shortage of food, and many people would go hungry. Economic benefits. Farming provides significant economic benefits. It creates jobs and generates income for farmers, farm workers, and other people involved in the agricultural industry. It also contributes to the economy by providing raw materials for other industries, such as textiles and biofuels. Environmental benefits. Farming can have numerous environmental benefits. Sustainable farming practices, such as crop rotation and reduced tillage, can help maintain soil fertility and reduce erosion. Organic farming practices can help reduce the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which can have negative impacts on the environment. Farming can also help preserve open space and wildlife habitats. Health benefits. Farming can provide numerous health benefits. Eating fresh, locally grown produce can provide essential nutrients and vitamins that are essential for a healthy diet. Additionally, many people find farming to be a therapeutic and relaxing activity, which can help reduce stress and improve mental health. Social benefits. Farming can provide social benefits as well. It can bring communities together, providing opportunities for people to connect with each other and work towards a common goal. It can also promote a sense of pride in one's community and culture. Cultural benefits. Farming is deeply rooted in many cultures and can provide cultural benefits. It can preserve traditional farming practices and provide a sense of cultural identity. Additionally, it can promote the use of traditional foods and recipes, which can help preserve cultural heritage. In conclusion, farming provides numerous benefits, both for individuals and society as a whole. It is essential for providing a sustainable and reliable source of food, generating income, promoting environmental sustainability, improving health and well-being, and preserving cultural heritage. As society continues to evolve, it is important to recognize the value of farming and continue to support sustainable and responsible farming practices. Before we leave you, please hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you for watching the benefits of farming. We look forward to seeing you next time.